Hello everyone, welcome to a journey where we discover the joy of movement and how it can transform our lives. We all want to feel our best, right? Feeling fantastic isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good from the inside out. Moving our bodies is key to feeling amazing inside and out. Whether it's a gentle stretch in the morning or a brisk walk in the evening, every bit of movement counts. It's not about being a super athlete or spending hours at the gym, it's about finding joy in movement and making it a part of our daily routine. It's about adding some activity to our day, no matter how small. Even a short walk during lunch breaks or playing with your kids in the backyard can make a big difference. Moving more helps us in so many ways. It improves our physical health, boosts our mental well-being, and even enhances our social connections. It gives us energy and helps us sleep well. When we move, our bodies feel more alive, and we wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. It even makes us happier. Exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, which can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. When we move, our bodies release feel-good chemicals. These chemicals not only boost our mood but also help us handle stress better, making us more resilient in our daily lives. These chemicals boost our mood and help us handle stress. They create a sense of calm and well-being, allowing us to navigate life's challenges with a positive outlook. Remember, every little bit counts. You don't need to make drastic changes. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant improvements over time. Don't worry if you don't have hours for the gym. There are countless ways to incorporate movement into your day, even with a busy schedule. We'll find ways to sneak in activity even on the busiest days. From desk exercises to stretching during meetings, there are endless opportunities to stay active. Let's get started on our journey to a healthier, happier you. Together, we'll explore fun and easy ways to move more, feel better, and live our best lives. Want to feel energized all day? It all starts with how you begin your morning. The first moments after you wake up can set the tone for the rest of your day. Start your morning with some movement. Gentle stretches can help you shake off the sleepiness and get your blood circulating. You don't need a long, complicated workout. Just a few minutes of activity can make a big difference in how you feel. Even a few minutes can make a difference. Simple movements can help you feel more awake and ready to tackle the day. Try some simple stretches before getting out of bed. Reach for your toes, feel the stretch in your legs and back, hug your knees to your chest and circle your ankles. These movements can help loosen up your muscles and joints. This gets your blood flowing and wakes up your muscles. It's a gentle way to start your day on the right foot. If you have a bit more time, do a few bodyweight exercises. These exercises are great because they don't require any equipment. Think squats, push-ups, and lunges. These exercises can help build strength and get your heart rate up. No equipment needed, just your own body. You can do these exercises anywhere, whether you're at home or traveling. Another great option is active commuting. This means incorporating physical activity into your daily commute. Can you walk or bike part of the way to work or school? Even if it's just a short distance, it can make a big difference over time. Even a short distance adds up over time. Plus, it's a great way to enjoy some fresh air and start your day with a bit of exercise. So, whether it's stretching in bed, doing a quick workout, or walking part of your commute, find a way to add some movement to your morning routine. Your body and mind will thank you. Many of us spend hours sitting at desks. It's important to break up the day with some movement. Sitting for long periods isn't good for our bodies. Try these easy desk exercises, shoulder rolls, neck stretches, and leg raises. You can even do some desk push-ups. Set a timer to remind yourself to get up every hour. Think about getting a standing desk. Standing burns more calories than sitting and helps with posture. If you can't stand all day, try alternating between sitting and standing. Who says chores can't be a workout? Crank up the music and make cleaning fun. Vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping all work your muscles. Gardening is another great way to get active. Mowing the lawn, weeding, and planting get your heart rate up. Plus, you get to enjoy the fresh air. Get the whole family involved. Have a dance party while you cook dinner. Take the dog for a walk together. Every little bit of activity counts. Unwind and recharge active evenings. After a long day, it's tempting to collapse on the couch. But even a little evening activity can help you unwind and sleep better. Take a relaxing walk after dinner. The fresh air will do you good. If you prefer staying in, try some gentle stretching or yoga. Leisure time is also a great time to get active. Instead of watching TV, go for a swim, play a game of basketball, or dance to your favorite music. Choose activities you enjoy, and you'll be more likely to stick with them. Small steps, big results. You've got this. Remember, you don't have to go from zero to hero overnight. Start small and gradually increase your activity level. Every little bit counts. Set realistic goals that you can stick with. Maybe aim for 15 minutes of walking 3 times a week. Once you've mastered that, add another day or 2. The key is consistency. It's better to do a little bit of activity regularly than to go all out one day and then do nothing for weeks. Make activity a part of your daily routine. Your body and mind will thank you. Finding your fitness groove. Finding activities you enjoy is crucial. If you don't like running, don't force yourself to do it. There are countless ways to get moving. Explore different options and see what clicks. Maybe you love dancing, swimming, hiking, or biking. The important thing is to find something that you genuinely enjoy and look forward to. Don't be afraid to try new things. You might surprise yourself. You can also join a sports team or group fitness class. Having a workout buddy can provide motivation and make exercising more fun. Section 8. Overcoming obstacles and staying motivated. Life can get busy, and there will be days when it's tough to fit in activity. But don't let setbacks derail your progress. Plan ahead and schedule time for exercise. Just like you would any other appointment, lay out your workout clothes the night before to make it easier to get going in the morning. Find a workout buddy to keep you accountable. You can encourage each other and make exercising more enjoyable. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Focus on the benefits of staying active. Section 9. Listen to your body, level up your activity. As you get fitter, challenge yourself to increase the intensity or duration of your workouts. This could mean adding weights, trying more challenging hikes, or increasing your running distance. Pay attention to your body's signals. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when starting. It's okay to take breaks and adjust your activity level as needed. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to exercise regularly at a moderate level than to overdo it and risk injury. Listen to your body and gradually increase your activity over time. Section 10. Celebrate your success. Keep moving forward. Every step you take towards a more active lifestyle is an achievement. Whether it's a short walk around the block, a full workout session, or simply choosing to take the stairs instead of the elevator, each action counts. These small decisions accumulate over time, leading to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. Celebrate your successes, big or small. It's important to recognize and appreciate the effort you put into each activity. By acknowledging these moments, you reinforce positive behavior and create a cycle of motivation and reward. This can be as simple as giving yourself a thumbs up, sharing your progress with friends, or even treating yourself to something special. Acknowledge how far you've come and how great you feel. Take a moment to reflect on your journey and the progress you've made. Look at your fitness tracker, admire the changes in the mirror, or simply enjoy the sense of accomplishment that comes from a job well done. These reflections can provide a powerful boost to your self-esteem and keep you focused on your goals. Reward yourself for reaching milestones. Setting and achieving goals is a crucial part of any fitness journey. When you reach a milestone, whether it's running your first 5K, lifting a heavier weight, or sticking to your workout routine for a month, take the time to celebrate. Rewards can be anything that makes you feel good and reinforces your commitment to your health. Treat yourself to a massage, a new workout outfit, or a healthy meal out. These rewards not only provide immediate gratification but also serve as a reminder of your hard work and dedication. They can make your fitness journey more enjoyable and sustainable by adding elements of pleasure and self-care. Positive reinforcement can help keep you motivated. By setting new goals and tracking your progress, you create a roadmap for continued success. Each milestone you check off is a testament to your perseverance and determination. This ongoing process of goal setting and achievement keeps you engaged and excited about your fitness journey. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. It's important to pace yourself and enjoy the process. Fitness is not about quick fixes or drastic changes. It's about making sustainable lifestyle choices that you can maintain over the long term. Take the time to appreciate the beauty of your surroundings, the peace of mind that comes with regular exercise, and the gradual improvements in your physical and mental health. There will be ups and downs, but the important thing is to keep moving forward. Challenges and setbacks are a natural part of any journey. What matters most is your ability to persevere and stay committed to your goals. When you encounter obstacles, remind yourself of why you started and the progress you've made. Use these moments as opportunities to learn and grow stronger. Make activity a part of your lifestyle and you'll reap the countless benefits for years to come. By integrating physical activity into your daily routine, you create a foundation for long-term health and happiness. Whether it's through family hikes, yoga sessions with friends, or solo cycling adventures, find activities that you enjoy and make them a regular part of your life. The rewards of an active lifestyle are endless, from improved physical fitness to enhanced mental well-being and a greater sense of community. Section 11. Make activity a lifelong habit. Staying active shouldn't feel like a chore. Find ways to make it enjoyable and integrate it into your daily life. Choose activities that make you feel good and don't be afraid to try new things. Remember, every bit of movement counts. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance class, or a game of frisbee in the park, find what you love and make it a part of your routine. You've got this. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you.